Morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
How do you find here the things? This interesting?
Yes, it is very interesting.
You want to become a scientist?
Yeah.
Now you are in which class?
Fifth.
Fifth. Very good. So science interests you, na?
Yes.
See what you are doing here. We are trying to, you know, na, that climate change, global warming, so many talks are there.
Yes.
So Earth is becoming hotter. Huh? Actually, we are utilizing nature for our own benefit, but we are not paying back to nature. We are taking from nature, but we are not paying back. So we need to do something for Mother Earth.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes.
So we are trying to develop those technologies so that Mother Earth gets less affected. You know, gets less affected. So all these things, these are for firecrackers during Diwali or other events. So much sound, so much pollution. You have seen the gases,
Yes.
smelly gases, everything is there. So this will be less polluting. Here, this model you see, we are developing one mechanized road, manholes. Some places are there where people go inside, clean the things. So that is very risky also. Sometimes people die of poisonous gases after inhaling poisonous gases. We are trying to do one mechanized system for that. Like that. And you can see the solar technologies here. Please come here. There are solar tree.
Oh,
What is that?
solar tree.
Solar tree. What is that? You have seen this thing, solar panels.
Yes.
Those are flat panels
Yes.
on the roof,
Yes.
but it takes lot of space. Isn't it? Whole roof is covered with that. Here, have you thought of one tree? How much less area it occupies on the ground, na? But it gets extended branches so that they can get maximum sunlight. Is it not? Because from sunlight only they will prepare their own food. Here we are utilizing solar energy like branches we have extended so that more and more electricity
Yes.
get generated from that. Because till now we are using coal, gases,
Non-renewable energy.
non-renewable fossil fuels.
Yes.
But those are harming the atmosphere also, na? So if we can use solar energy for this, there are other types of renewable energy also. Do you know?
Yes.
What are those?
Hydro energy,
Ah.
luminous energy.
Then your this wave energy, tidal energy,
Yes.
wind energy, all these things. So here solar energy technologies are we have developed. This is also for cooking, solar cooking. So solar energy, from there electric energy is used for heat generation. And then, so you need to do much for Mother Earth. You will be here for so many years. So that we all can survive. Is it not?
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And National Aerospace Laboratory is located in Bangalore. CSR having 39 labs across the country. So NAL is the only lab related to aerospace engineering. Okay, we have like aircraft, like two-seater aircraft, which is designed, developed indigenously. It is with composite material. Composite material is lightweight than air. So it is used for, because it should lightweight and strengthen one. And that one is Saras Mark II. This is a 19-seater aircraft for Indian Air Force. And this drone can fly 10 km to 25 km range, and it can take payload of 10 to 15 kg. It can take vaccines, image processing. It can do. If you rode 2 hours, 3 hours, it will take. Whereas this drone can go in a 10 minutes. Okay, and we have like a programs, all the electronics, avionics, structural test, all the aircraft done in our NAL only. Okay, and this is the brochure you can have, all the specifications. And NAL is located in Bangalore. Okay, this Hansa aircraft is using for the trainer version. After your completion of your engineering, if you want to become a pilot, then this can be used for the training. Okay.
I got it.
This is the cyclone shelter model. Okay, See, along the coastline of Odisha, where frequently cyclone is occurring. Okay, everywhere cyclone will cross Odisha. Okay, so fisheries people in Odisha need shelter during the cyclone times. Okay, for that purpose this building was designed. Okay, see, you can see the curved corners. Okay, on both the sides, and this curved corners gives aerodynamic shapes. It will give less resistance to cyclone, and also it is elevated. So if after the cyclones if flood comes means, so water will easily pass through there. Okay, so the people inside the house will be protected from both cyclone and flood. Okay, and it is implemented. More than 100 shelters was built in Odisha.
The turbocharger. Turbocharger we use to get more power from the same engine, like the diesel and a petrol engine. You know now all the automobiles now they will have diesel or petrol engine. Okay. From the diesel or petrol engine there is exhaust gas. Okay. This exhaust gas is at high temperature. If this exhaust gas we feed to this turbine, this turbine will rotate. Okay. If the turbine rotate, it will develop a power. This power will run this compressor. If we run this compressor, what happens is air will be compressed. Compression means its density and pressure will increase. Okay, so when high pressure, high density air is drawn inside a engine, the mass of air will be more. If the mass of air is more, we can add more fuel, so it will develop a more power. So what we did, by connecting these to the engine, from the same engine we got more power. So that way it is used. See, this increasing the density is called charging. Okay, and this is turbine. So when we couple these two, turbo and charger, we call it turbocharger. Okay, same thing is used for our battle tanks also. These battle tanks are used by army at our border. Okay, they should be moving very fast. They should be very agile. So that's why we have designed this for our battle tank, and that will be connected there. Yes, you can see this. See, this is gas turbine. Okay, now here you can see this is this nose cone. Okay, what you are seeing now, this is nose cone. Okay, then these are all rotors. 1, 2, 3. You can see these are rotor blades. Same blade are here. Okay, in between these two, now you can see this blade. These blades, these are starter blades. These are the starter blades. Okay, after that, in between these, there is one combustion chamber. In combustion chamber, you will add a fuel. Fuel will be injected. So high temperature gases will be there. After that, you can see here. See, after that, you will find these blades. Okay, these are again rotor blades. What we are seeing here. Okay, this is high pressure turbine blade. Similarly, if you see here, this is second set of blade, turbine blade. This is low pressure turbine blade. Okay. And in between these two, you can see these are called nozzle guide vanes. Okay, one set is here, one set is here. This set is this one, nozzle guide vane. Okay, high pressure nozzle guide vane. And whereas where what you are seeing this is low pressure nozzle guide vane. So these are all the parts of the gas turbine which is used for the fighter aircraft.
If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such video updates. And I'll soon see you in another video. Okay? Bye friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more video updates.